I am Blitzcrank. I'm gonna wreck Annie. Stay in. Got it? No,
No.
you didn't get it.
Yeah, because they killed you.
Thought that you'd kill them as well. You need to back out, there's a lot of minions there, dude. He's gonna stay on you. He's got a shield. Double kill. No, yeah boy, worth, see? Plan that. Baited.
Swift. Enjoy it.
Now?
Can
I'm out, I'm out! No, run!
Ah, thanks to you.
Back out, we're good.
I must stay.
not like that. Fuck you, bitch.
I never pussy out.